What's up, guys? I am going to be unboxing this pretty decent pressure point light that I'm going to put on the Ar15. It's from Garbaril, however you pronounce it. Got this on Amazon. I will be leaving the link below if you want to check it out. It brings the flashlight, the pressure plate, the charger that it brings also, that you can charge the flashlight with right here. Just plug it in there with a USB. You can also charge the battery with just this little charging dock that it brings with USB. You can either plug it in directly to the flashlight, leaving the battery in. You can take the battery out and charge it in the dock, in the charging. This is the battery, right? It brings the rail so that we can mount it on to the rail. So it brings the mount, the mount, so that you can mount the flashlight onto your Picatinny rail. And it brings the tool to tighten the mount. It has a little pamphlet also that gives you directions and stuff like that. So I guess you have to take this off and then put this cap on there, battery inside first, so that way the pressure plate will work, obviously. And you can also use it as a regular flashlight. So you just put the battery in, close this up, and use it as a regular flashlight, on and off. But that's not what we want it for, so let's do this. Put the positive side down and then screw the cap. Test it out. There you go. So when you press here with your thumb, when it's on the Ar15, it'll turn on, and then as soon as you let go, it'll turn off. And then this thicker area, this thicker part on this pressure plate, when you click it, it'll stay on, and when you unclick it, it'll turn off. Let's mount this onto the Ar15. Alright, so what I was thinking is, if you are right-handed, if you hold the barrel with the left hand, then the flashlight needs to go on the right side, so that way the pressure plate comes over to the left side. So while you're holding the AR or the shotgun, if you're gonna put this on the shotgun, then you can press it with a thumb as you're holding the rifle. I suggest, if you hold the rifle with the right hand, I suggest you put it on the left side, the flashlight on the left side. And if you're left-handed, as far as like holding the rifle with your left hand, then I suggest you put it on the right side. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna put it on the right side. And then with the flathead screwdriver, you're gonna tighten it. All right, guys, so I decided to wrap it around, try to make it as comfortable as possible, but I think I'm just gonna wrap it around the top just once and then put some strong double-sided tape right there. All right, guys, so you have an idea what it looks like. That's what it looks like. It's not that big. It's probably about maybe 5 inches. Pretty thin, so it's comfortable. It's not heavy. And then I have a pressure plate right here. So just so you guys get an idea how bright it is, let me turn off this light. Pretty bright, packaged. The battery is brand spanking new, so there's no charging at the moment. So there you go. Comfortable. Just a click of a button with my thumb. Very comfortable. Guys, comment down below if you think I should take off these support legs or whatever you call them from the front. I think they're good there, and I'm holding the rifle in a good position as far as my hand here, but just so you guys get an idea how bright this is, I had to turn off all the lights. That's the just the one click. So you hold it, and if you don't want to hold it, you could just click it once on the thicker part and it'll stay on the whole time until you unclick it. So please like, comment, subscribe, and if you want any links to find either the iron sights that I got on Amazon, the Crimson Trace, this pressure plate, flashlight, tactical light, or even these support legs here, which you can even adjust a little bit longer, a little bit shorter, or you could just take them out the way. Even the sling, let me know and I'll find it and I'll put the link in the comments. And I never got into it, but these iron sights that I got on Amazon are actually pretty good. They pop up and they click into place. You got your back sight that has the fluorescent or neon dots or whatever you call them, or you can flip it for a more accurate reading and you can adjust it. It has the little lines, and it has the front sight, which is a little red fluorescent light or whatever you call it. You can press this button, click it down to get it out the way and use your red dot sight, but it's all up to you. These are for Yachi. I know it's a cheap brand for those of you that like to spend $200-300 or $400 on name brand stuff. These do the work and I'm happy with it. You know, it's only for fun, it's a hobby, so I'm not gonna spend a bunch of money on features and accessories when I don't have to. So take care, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next video.